Okay, let's dig in. Can your home's electrical panel really handle an EV charger?
So you're getting an EV. That's awesome. But here's the real question you need to ask.
Can your house actually handle the huge electrical load from that new charger?
First things first, let's see how much power these chargers actually pull from your home.
Most modern home chargers are level 2, and they typically draw between 32 and 48 amps.
Now there's a crucial safety rule you gotta know about. It's called the 80% rule. It basically means the circuit breaker needs to be beefed up to prevent overheating.
Okay, so let's put that into perspective. Say you've got a pretty standard 40-amp charger.
Well, because of that safety rule, it actually needs a dedicated 50-amp breaker. Simple as that.
Which brings us to the big question. How do you know if your panel can handle it?
Well, a licensed electrician does something called a load calculation. This is how you find out.
They basically size up your panel, tally all your existing appliances, and see what's left over.
So what's the verdict usually? Well, if your home has a 100-amp service panel,
chances are, it's just not going to be enough for a powerful level 2 charger.
But what if your home has a more modern 200-amp service panel?
Ah, now that's the sweet spot. It's pretty much ideal for most home chargers.
Okay, so what if your panel is already maxed out? Don't panic, you have options.
There are some great solutions, from upgrading your whole service to adding a smart panel.
A 200-amp service is the modern standard. 400-amp is for future-proofing your home.
A sub-panel is another smart move. It's basically a mini panel just for your garage. And just a heads up, this is absolutely not a DIY job. It requires permits and inspections.
Peter, an expert at Pro Electric Plus HVAC, really puts it best with this advice.
So here's the bottom line. A professional check before you buy can save you a fortune.
So you gotta ask yourself, is your electrical panel a gatekeeper or a gateway?